Hello guys, my name is Leli Agustina. Here I will explain the things that need to be considered in the left and right main landing gear task card. Left main landing gear and right main landing gear task card. The procedure: main landing gear, clean the main landing gear and components, inspect for damage paint finish, damage plating, and check for corrosion. Next, if corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finish as practical. Apply BMS 3 to 23 compound to surface areas of the landing gear fittings, connecting pins and attachment lugs as required, and particularly in the following area. Note: in cases where period cleaning is accomplished with steam or hot water pressure and detergent, reply BMS 3 to 23 to the main landing gear. Caution: do not apply BMS 3 to 23 to silicone rubber seals, or control cables. Observe other precautions shown in Fall 1, Section 20 to 60 to 00. Note: remove excess BMS 3 to 23, a clean dry wrap. Thank you.